how it saddened me. It brought tears to my eyes when a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Pakistan said that there was pressure on me, and he said that on television, public television, by General Ziaul Haq to do this judgment in the ذوالفقار Ali Bhutto case. Do you hang? Do you take away a person's life because of pressure? If you couldn't handle it, a resignation letter would have sufficed. Let us learn from our own history. Let us not learn from the Professor Hans Kelsen of Austria. Let the Muhammad Munirs, let the Anwarul Haqs learn from the example of Imam Malik, the founder of one of the foremost schools of Islamic law. The former school of, there are 4 Sunni schools of Islamic law. Imam Malik was the first. He lived and died in Medina. His book, Al-Muwatta, those of interested in Islamic history and religion, what did he do and say? He gave a ruling, religious ruling, which we call fatwa, saying that divorce under compulsion is no divorce.